A shocking traffic stop is about to unfold, and we're going to show you the full video exactly as it happened. But first, here's what you need to know. This stop involves allegations of reckless driving, possible DUI indicators, and a driver who appears confused and emotional. We are not making assumptions about guilt. We are showing the footage so you can see the interaction for yourself. So watch closely, because after the raw clip, we'll break down the legal issues every driver should understand.
Put your hands out the window now. Put your hands out the window. I'm not playing with you. Why are you driving like an ass? Don't shake your head at me. Doing 65, 70 down this road, then you just pull out that stop sign, spinning tires.
I don't mean to. No, sir.
What are you doing?
I don't.
Turn the truck off. Get out of the car. Get out of the car now. Walk back to my car. Don't do nothing stupid.
I'm not doing.
Walk back to my car now.
Why am I in trouble?
414, 422. Walk back to my car now.
Yes, sir. Why am I in trouble?
Put your hands on the hood of my car.
Yes, sir.
Spread your feet.
Why am I in trouble?
I just told you, I watched you about drive off the road. You blew down this road 70 miles an hour in a 35. Then you pull off a Cooper and Mary. Don't shake your head.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't shake your head at me.
I'm sorry.
Stop. Car, you're drunk. You're a piece of dude.
I'm not drunk.
Yeah, yes you are. My ass, you're not. We'll find out here in a minute.
Yeah. What's going on?
I just told you. I got another unit coming. We're gonna see if you're drunk or not. You about went off the road and hit my patrol car. You weren't even paying attention. And then when you pulled, yes you did. And then when you pulled off of Mary onto Cooper, then you're spinning tires driving 70 down this road in the car.
70.
At least, at the very minimum.
I went 70?
100%.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Well, what's the
Never
glass
went
that just
70.
fell and hit the floor right there at your feet?
Never went 70.
Okay. What's that glass that just fell and hit the floor at your feet?
That's a glass from my house. What do you mean?
You reek alcohol. You're slurring your words. Let go of my car. You can't even stand up straight on your own. Look at you. You pissed your pants.
No, sir. This is drink.
Okay. What kind of drink?
Water. What do you mean? I pissed my pants? Really?
Sure looks like it.
No, sir. I didn't piss my pants. Really? I pissed my pants?
Well, when people are drunk and they don't know it, they piss their pants. It happens all the time.
I didn't piss my pants.
Okay.
Wow. Okay. Sir,
You should be ashamed of yourself.
I live right here.
I don't care where you live. You're risking their life driving like that.
No, sir. I'm not driving crazy.
Okay. So you don't even know that you did it. You think I'm just making all this up? Are you questioning my integrity? Is that what you're doing?
No, sir. I'm not.
Well, you are, because you're telling me you didn't do it, and I watched you do it, and so those 3 juveniles I was dealing with while you blew by me.
3 juveniles? What are you talking about?
That's exactly my point. You just blew by me going that way. I was out with 3 juveniles, and you almost hit my patrol car.
No, sir.
Sir.
I never almost hit you at all. I want to see
100%.
cameras.
Oh, it's all on camera.
Please,
don't worry
put
about
it on camera,
Okay.
please. Yes, sir. Put it on camera.
Sounds good.
That's right. Yes, sir. Put it on camera. I did nothing wrong
Okay.
whatsoever.
We'll find out.
I'm going towards my house. My house is right here across the church, right here.
Okay, we'll find out here in a minute.
No, not at all.
Unbelievable.
I don't understand what I did. I apologize for.
If you don't understand what you did, that's the problem. That's the
What?
problem. If you're telling me you don't know what you did, that's the problem. And you're driving like that car. Yeah, those are kids. Youngins are kids.
Me going towards my house?
And going back that way at 100 miles an hour.
100 miles an hour?
Dude,
I was going 100?
You were way
You are
above the speed limit.
insane, bro.
Okay.
If you think I was going
Okay.
100. You are
Okay.
insane. I'm sorry. Look, when did you start the service?
Buddy,
When
I've been
did
here a
you
long
start?
time. This ain't my first day. I don't
Listen,
even talk
dude.
to you.
Listen, I'm not trying to argue with you.
You can't
but I
argue
was not
because
doing
I saw
100.
it, and so
There's
did you
no
while I was
way I
out
was
with.
doing 100. No, sir. No, sir. I was not
Okay,
doing
well, you're
100.
pissed drunk, so
There's
you're full of
no
shit.
way I was
Can
doing
you guys
100.
go check on the kids in the car? Yeah, that was in his lap. So,
No, it wasn't in my lap.
yes, it was. It didn't just fall from the sky. It's all on camera.
What, a glass? Was it in my lap?
Okay.
Yeah. You're right. There was a glass in my lap.
Yeah, I
What
know.
does that mean? An empty glass in my lap?
How's it going? Sorry to everybody's being a maniac. You know. Did you guys just drive down that way? And then you came back this way? Yeah, you went by Tom's. You guys saw me over there? Okay.
Listen, I apologize. I didn't mean to speak.
But you don't got to apologize to me. I'm more pissed off that you're not coherent enough to drive your vehicle.
I am
That's
still here
bullshit.
to drive my vehicle to my house. Yes, sir, I am.
So tell me why your would say, yeah, drunk and he was just driving really fast up and down this road and we told him to stop. You think an 8-year-old would make that up?
He's a child.
Oh.
He's gonna say what he says.
So he shouldn't even know what drunk is, right? He's a child.
Dude, look at here, man.
Do what?
You're being oblivious. Look, seriously.
I am? You have a car. I'm a father. I would
My
never.
home is right here.
So does that just make it okay that you should just get to go
No,
home because
I'm
you're
not.
drunk?
Look, I'm not doing nothing to life in danger.
You are because they're in the vehicle, and then you about put my life in danger when you almost hit me.
Sir, no, I did not almost hit you. No,
The
sir, I
opposite,
did not
so-
almost hit you.
I don't know
No.
what to tell you.
I did not almost hit you. No, sir. You're being, honestly, ridiculous right now. You really are.
I don't really care what you think. To be honest
Okay,
with you, I'm
whatever
telling
you
you
say.
what happened. So
I apologize if you think that I did.
I don't
but
think
I did
that it
not.
happened. I'm telling you it
But
did.
I did not. No, sir.
Okay. I don't got to argue with you. So it did. It did happen.
I'm
You
not
can be in
arguing with
denial
you,
all you want
but,
to.
sir,
It about
listen,
happened. So
Listen, you think that I'm arguing with you.
well, you're telling me I'm wrong. So that's questioning my integrity. I'm telling you it
Okay,
did.
what the ever you say, bud. Look here.
There you
I'm
go.
not arguing with you, man. I'm not arguing with you. I'm not arguing with you, man. I'm not. But I apologize if you think I did. I'm sorry. But I did not. No, sir. Just watch the glass.
I could have drove, but I just ran.
Hey, you're
So,
good. You
I'm
said
sorry.
you guys live right there.
Yes.
Yeah, so he about hit me over there on the side of the road.
Wow.
Going off the road on Cooper going that way. Well, I was dealing with 3 other people. And then they were like, you're going to keep messing with us and not go stop that guy the way he's driving? Well, then I was trying to finish with them. And then he went through the neighborhood over there, came back out at Mary, blew the stop sign, spinning tires, doing like 70 both ways.
Exactly.
So not only did he almost kill me, he's also risking killing
Driving
the children.
recklessly
So
with the kids.
this fell out of his lap. So I'm assuming that probably came from Ryan's, if that's where you guys came from.
Okay. Glass? I wasn't sure, but
Yeah,
yeah.
it was in his, it
Okay.
fell out of his lap. So once we're done with him, then they can go with. Does he normally piss his pants? Is that normal for him?
He does it.
Okay, but okay.
But not easily incoherent, no.
Okay.
What's your name?
Mason.
Mason. All right.
Yes,
So,
sir.
my deputy just told me you observed you. You're the
I was
traffic
speeding.
infraction. You were
Yes, sir.
speeding
I was
down
speeding.
here, okay?
Unfortunately,
All right.
yes, sir.
So, after he made contact with you, obviously, I'm seeing it too. I'm selling, slurred speech. You're leaning up against his vehicle. I really
No.
hope you didn't pee yourself.
No, sir. That's drink.
Drink.
There's a glass over there.
Drink was it?
Just water.
Just water on that.
Yes, sir.
Where are you guys coming from?
It came from Ryan's.
Ryan's.
Yes, sir.
Off of Duncan Road there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. I don't know if there's one here in downtown.
No,
city.
sir.
Okay.
No, sir. Ryan's.
Okay. All right. So based on his observations, my observations on me speaking to you, I'm just going to run you through food sobriety, okay? All it is that I'm going to make sure that you're able to operate the vehicle. Doesn't mean that you're in any trouble at all.
I don't
It's just-
want to do a field sobriety test. No, sir. I don't. I live right here. I don't care to. So,
Okay.
but like I said, my house is right here.
Okay.
Across the street.
I'm not going to refuse you.
Taking me to jail.
It's behind your license. It's in front of your license. All right? That you
Why
have
am I
that
going
license.
to jail?
Because
Because
based
I
on
live
my-
right here.
Let me speak to you.
Yes,
so based
sir.
on my observations, his
I'm
observations.
not being anal. Or
I know.
nothing.
Well,
No, sir.
well, you asked, so I'm explaining it to you, right?
I
I hope I'm
understand. Yes,
not
sir.
being an ass or anything.
No, you're
I'm
not being an ass.
trying to
No, sir.
explain it to you. So
Nope.
the way that works is
What do I need to do to?
dispel my fear that
Alleviate
you're not
this.
intoxicated is run us through field sobriety. That's it.
Okay.
That's all it is. It's either you do it or you don't. All right. Just like how it says on. I'll show you my license. That's it. See?
I am right here at my house, man.
I get it.
Really.
brother. Right here. Can you read it there at the bottom?
I'm not being an asshole. I'm
Operation of
not
a motor
being
vehicle
nothing like
constitutes
this.
instance of any sobriety but test required by law. Okay? So that's all it is, just based on my observations. I'm not accusing you of anything. It's just based on my observations. I just need to dispel my fear that you're able to operate your
What do you want me to do?
Will you consent to run through field sobriety?
Can you run me through what you want me to do?
I can. I can do it.
Run me
But
through.
you
Without
have to
me
say-
consenting, let me know what you want me to do.
You don't. Whatever. So if you want to do them, it's yes or no.
What do you want me to do? I want to know what you want me to do.
So you see the tip of my pen here? All right. With that tip of your pen, do you mind touching it with the tip of your finger like that? Perfect.
Why are you shaking?
Yeah, I don't know
Why are you shaking so bad?
Probably too much caffeine.
I can't. What's going on?
There you go.
Okay. Whoa.
You got it. I know that.
Whoa,
was
bro. Whoa. Listen. Can somebody else hold the pen?
No, I just have drank too much caffeine. Okay. Well, you see what it is, right? You touched it.
Well, I'm just saying, you're like this
But
right
do you
here.
see the tip on my pen?
I do. Okay, but
All right.
can I record this or no?
It's all recorded.
It's all recorded on camera.
I mean, your pen is doing this right here.
It's pretty straight.
Okay, it's pretty straight.
Yeah, it's straight.
Okay, yes, sir.
You touched it. You touched
I'll
it.
touch
You
it.
got put your hand down, okay?
Okay.
So the tip of the pen that you just touched with your tip of your finger, you're gonna follow it with your eyes only, okay?
Good.
Do not move your head.
Good.
Do you understand?
Good.
Do you mind taking your hands out of your pocket? Keep them straight to your side, like I said.
You're shaking a lot.
You wanna follow it with your eye?
You're shaking a lot.
What does that mean to be following?
You're shaking a lot.
Can you follow it?
I'm following it, dude. What do you mean?
That's what I'm saying. Are you doing it? How
I'm
instructed?
doing it.
Okay,
Am I doing it?
Can you just stop
Am I
talking?
doing it or no?
Can you stop talking and
I'm
do it?
doing it. I'm doing it, right?
Go ahead, just follow it.
Good.
Follow it. Do you feel comfortable walking in those?
No, I don't.
Do you mind taking them off?
No, sir.
Yeah.
I'm not walking in a straight line. There's no straight line here. There's no line here in the road. No, sir.
There's
I
no
don't wanna
straight
do it.
line? You can't
Nope.
imagine a straight line or anything?
Nope, I can't imagine
better
a
yet,
straight
you know
line.
what we can do? There is a straight line. And
Nope.
we walk over here.
I'm not doing it.
You're not, then just put your hands behind your back.
No, sir. What?
Why are you? You're not going to say no to me when I tell you to put your hands behind your back.
Okay, I'm not listening, sir.
Then don't say no and don't push off.
I'm not pushing you, sir. I'm not being a butthead, dude. Look, why am I being arrested? I will do what you want me to do.
Nope, you're too late for that. You're being the you're too late.
Wow.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Check that buckle. What is the
Why the am I being arrested, man? I don't know why.
Okay.
Okay.
All this.
All right, so based on that, your husband's under arrest for DUI. Okay, just so you know, it's an enhancement as well because there's children under the age of 18 in the vehicle, and due to his actions and my observation, DCF will be called on that. Okay. Yeah. Oh no, he will. He will.
What just happened?
So based on what my deputy here said, obviously the speeding. So we have them. We pulled him over. We made contact with him. I smell the alcohol in him, in his breath. All right. They don't just serve glass to go on glass like that.
Absolutely not.
Okay. So based on all that, I'd never accused him of anything. I don't know if you could hear the conversation that I was having.
No.
So all we did there was try to run him through field sobriety just to dispel our fears that he's able to operate the motor vehicle and he's not impaired in any sort. Okay, that's all it was. So I showed him my driver's license. Your driver's license says it as well. Under your address, it says that per Florida law, you have to do field sobriety. I explained that to him. That kind of changed his mind because he said no. Just of him saying no once, I could have automatically taken him to jail. But I wanted to give him every opportunity to do it just to dispel my fears because, like I said, I didn't want to accuse him of anything, right? Because you can drink. The issue comes now where you're unable to operate the motor vehicle. The speeding down a school zone. I don't know if you can see this. It's not school. It's not an active school zone, but there's still children playing. I know there's baseball practice
we have
today
practice at this time.
on Thursdays.
Yep.
You know what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Giving the area here, it's unacceptable. Right? So I do it here. He starts saying, "Oh, you're shaking, you're moving, you're all this." All he has to do, it doesn't matter if I'm shaking. All he has to do is just follow my pen. He wasn't want to doing it. He couldn't follow it. His eyes were like this. All right, which shows that his impairment level is pretty high. Then I tried to do him to walk in, just to do a walk and turn. At that time, like I said, never accused him of anything. He's like, "Oh, I'm not doing it. I'm not." I'll ask him, "Do you feel comfortable in the shoes that you're wearing? If you don't, take them off just to do this." "Oh, there's not a straight line here. I can't do it." "Okay, well, we'll move over there where there's a straight line." "No, I don't want to do it." So I'm like, "Okay, if you don't want to do it, then you're going to jail." You obviously wanted to push away, didn't want to turn around for me. Then that's where we're at. Okay. Obviously, I did not want it to go that way because there's children. They're not 3 years old, so they're going to remember this for their whole life. That's not why we do our things, right? I'm sure this is probably the first interaction they've had with law enforcement. Has it been?
No.
Okay, well, I thought so. Obviously, I didn't want this to be their first one, right? Without them understanding.
This is not. They know exactly what's going on. Well, my oldest, that was, yeah.
So I'm just gonna ask you, was he drinking what was in that drink?
Oh, absolutely. It was Jack and Coke is what he orders.
I could smell.
He's been drinking since 1 o'clock today.
Since 1 o'clock?
Yes.
Okay. And he does that on a consistent basis?
Now that you've seen the full event, let's look at the law. Reasonable suspicion can come from speeding, lane deviation, or nearly striking a patrol car. If those facts occurred, the stop itself is lawful. Signs of impairment, slurred speech, instability, confusion, can justify a DUI investigation, but the officer must rely on objective behavior, not assumptions or frustration. Officer conduct matters too. Intensity is allowed, but professionalism has limits. Repeated accusations and emotional pressure raise real questions about de-escalation. Ordering a driver out of the vehicle is lawful, but further searches, testing, or arrest require specific facts, not heated exchanges. This entire stop is why recording your encounters is essential. Footage protects the officer, it protects the driver, and it shows what actually happened. Laws vary by state. This is educational, not legal advice.